Ayla's Adventures in Nevşehir. Ayla had heard stories of a place that looked like the moon but was right here on Earth. Her uncle Tolga called it Nevşehir, a famous province in Turkey. They had arrived just before sunrise, ready for their grand adventure. "Look, Ayla," Uncle Tolga whispered. "These are the famous fairy chimneys. Nevşehir has thousands of them. They are called peri in Turkish." They towered over Ayla, cone-shaped hats perched on tall, slender bodies. Uncle Tolga explained how they were made. Long, long ago, volcanoes covered this land with soft rock. Then, wind and water slowly carved away the softer parts, leaving these sturdy cones behind. It took millions of years. Nevşehir isn't just one city, it's a whole region called Cappadocia, famous all over the world. Ayla and Uncle Tolga drove through wide valleys, noticing the unusual caves carved into the rock faces. People have lived inside these caves for centuries. But Ayla knew what she had really come for. Before the sun was up, they joined a crowd gathering in a field. Giant, colorful envelopes of fabric were laid out everywhere, snorting fire like dragons. It was time for the hot air balloons. Up, up, up they went. The basket gently swayed as they floated higher than the tallest fairy chimney. Looking down, Ayla saw hundreds of other balloons rising around them, painting the sky with slow, silent spots of color. "This province is beautiful from every angle," Uncle Tolga said, watching the shadows stretch across the valleys. "Remember, Ayla, this amazing experience is unique to Nevşehir's landscape. The gentle winds here are perfect for flying." After landing, they explored Avanos, a nearby town famous for its pottery. Ayla watched a craftsman spinning clay on a wheel, turning it into beautiful vases and plates using the local red clay. She tried spinning her own little bowl. Nevşehir also holds ancient secrets. Beneath the surface are massive underground cities that were once used as shelters by people long ago. It shows how resourceful and strong the people of this land have always been. Ayla hugged Uncle Tolga. "This place is truly magical," she sighed. Nevşehir wasn't just rocks and valleys. It was history, adventure, and the most colorful sunrises she had ever seen. She promised herself she would never forget the land of the fairy chimneys,